Employee Master. Company Name. Select the company name. Branch Location. Select the branch or location. If the branch is not in the list, then write it in the space provided and then press the Tab key. The new branch creation screen will automatically open and click on Save. The new branch will be created. Employee Code. Enter the employee code. This code must be unique. The default employee code is automatically generated for you, which is modifiable. Employee Card Number. Enter the employee card number. This card number must be unique and numeric in value. The default employee card number is automatically generated for you and is modifiable. First name. Enter the first name of the employee here. Last name. Enter the last name of the employee here. Designation. Select the designation. If designation is not in the list, then write it in the space provided and then press the Tab key. The new designation creation screen will automatically open and click on Save. The new designation will be created. Department. Select the department. If department is not in the list, then write it in the space provided and then press the Tab key. The new department creation screen will automatically be opened. Click on Save. The new department will be created. Grade. Select the grade. If grade is not in the list, then write it in the space provided and then press the Tab key. The new grade creation screen will automatically be opened. Click on Save and the new grade will be created. Gender. Select the gender of the employee from the list. Employment type. Select the employment type. Select either permanent or probation. OT applicable. Select yes if the overtime is applicable. If not applicable, then select no. The default selection is yes. Auto shift. This is based on the applied employees group settings. If auto shift applicable is selected as yes, only then is this option active. Otherwise, this option will be inactive. The default selection is no. Group details. Click on this to expand the group detail. Employee group. Select the employee group from the list to apply to the employee. One group is selected by default.
Shift group. Select the shift group from list to apply to the employee. As per shift group selection, default shift list will appear. One shift group is selected by default.
Default shift. Select the default shift from the list. Holiday group. Select the holiday group from here. One holiday group is selected by default. Weekly off 1 and weekly off 2. It will be automatically selected as per selection of the employee group. Date details. Click here to expand date detail. Date of birth. Enter the birth date of the employee. Joining date. Enter the joining date of the employee. Confirm date. Enter the confirmation date of the employee. Resigned date. It will be active in the modification mode. Enter the resign date in case the employee has resigned. Left date. It will be active in modification mode. Enter the left date of the employee. Marriage date. Enter the marriage date of the employee. Retired date. Enter the retired date of the employee if required. Resign. It will be active in modification mode. Enter the resign reason if required. If you want to add more details of the employee, you can add in modification mode. Select the employee and click on Modify and click on the checkbox which is shown at the bottom of the screen, Show All tab. The next slide will show how to add details of the employee.